Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing, what is going on here? Okay, sorry. I'm going to be doing a haul. I haven't done a haul in quite a minute, so I feel like now's the time to do a haul. I did like a tiny bit of shopping, not a ton, but I did do a little bit because I kind of just wanted to, and you know, retail therapy is cheaper than a therapist. So everything here is kind of random. I've had this stuff accumulating for a few weeks now. I guess I can start with the more exciting things. I hit up the Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale. I usually try to go every year. So I got a gift card for Christmas. So I ended up, you know, going to check it out. First, I got a couple of body products. I got two of these lotions. So I got one that is Bali Coconut Palm, and then I got this one, which is Pure Seduction Sunkissed. I love the original Pure Seduction. It just takes me back to like the early 2000s. And this one just smells like so much sweeter. I love like sweet smelling lotions. I also really like coconut scents, so that's why I got this one. And I actually go through these like pretty quickly because I apply them all over my body every single day. So whenever they're on sale, I always like to pick up a few. Also, if any of these are still available on the site, I'll go ahead and link them below. I don't know if they still are though, because I did purchase them like a couple weeks ago, like literally the day that the sale started. So yeah, if they're not on there, I apologize. I feel like I normally go pretty crazy at the semi-annual sales, but this year I just like didn't, even though I had a gift card and it like wasn't even my money. I don't know. I think over the years I've noticed Victoria's Secret quality kind of just like tanking. So I've refrained from purchasing a ton of stuff because, to be quite honest, like their stuff just doesn't last as long as it used to, even their bras, and I don't even put them in the dryer or anything. So I don't know. I definitely didn't buy a lot of things. I thought that I was going to, but I did not, which was a little surprising. But I didn't even buy anything from Pink. And Pink, I normally buy like sweatshirts and sweatpants. I think I'm just kind of like growing and I'm getting over the Pink logo. Like I don't know. I'm just not that into it like I used to be like a few years ago. So yeah, I didn't really buy anything from Pink. So that's unfortunate, but you know, it is what it is. Anyway, moving on, I also picked up a new perfume. This is the Victoria's Secret Tease Heartbreaker perfume, and it's not even, and I got this because it smelled so sweet and so nice. I don't think I like the original Tease. I always like when they do these like I don't know, like spin-off versions of their classic scents, just because I like them so much better. Like for instance, like the Pure Seduction, that's like their classic scent, but they did like a Sunkissed version, which is like sweeter. And I don't know, I like them more is what I've noticed. So I got this one. It's really nice. Let's open it together and I'll show you what the actual bottle looks like. So this is what the bottle looks like. Very, very Victoria's Secret like. Oh, it just smells so good. And then I also just got a new bra, nothing fancy here. This is called the T-shirt Lightly Lined Demi. Yeah, it just looks like this. There's absolutely no padding, a very basic bra. So I got that, and I think these were like half off. This is actually the last thing I got, and these were sold individually. So I was lucky enough to get a set. So I picked up a pair of these black pajama bottoms. So this is what they look like. They're just like the satin, black satin material, and then you can kind of see the pattern. Just, it says Victoria's Secret. It has this kind of light pink lining throughout it, which is super cute. So very classy, more mature, you know, it doesn't scream pink. And then I picked up the matching little tank, and this is what it looks like. The straps are that same baby pink color. It's got it throughout the sides, and it's just like a scoop neck, racer back pajama top. Again, silky material. The pattern is the same. So yeah, that's basically all that I got at the sale. I know I normally get way more things, but I didn't even get undies this time. So if that tells you anything about the quality, then yeah. Okay, and if you watched my Get Ready With Me video that I uploaded, I think last week or earlier this week, I mentioned that I was going to Disney World, and so I stopped into Cotton On because they were having like a huge sale, and I picked up a couple t-shirts, and the first one that I got is this gray one, and it just says Mickey on it, and it says, what, an American legend, and it's got a little Mickey Mouse. Super cute. I thought that this would be cute, tucked into like some shorts and some sneakers for Disney, just something kind of comfy and casual, just kind of throw on. And then I also got just another t-shirt, but this is just a graphic tee. It's got like a moon and some flowers on it. Yeah, I don't know. I felt like I just needed more kind of like t-shirts because I have a lot of crop tops and like tank tops, and I don't have a ton of t-shirts. So glad I got those. I think the white one was like $4. Like, I also went to Forever 21. Can't be a haul without Forever 21. So I picked up this cute, super cute, kind of gives me like Zara vibes. This like tan kind of cropped square neck, not even a square neck, it's kind of like a pentagon top. Like, it's so cute, and I think this would be so cute with like some mom jeans and like some sneakers and like gold jewelry. I love this. So I went ahead and picked it up. It was like 15 bucks. This is like definitely something that I feel I would find in Zara, so had to scoop that up. So I got that. Okay, so then I placed an order on Abercrombie because they were having a sale. I swear, they like always have sales and they're always so good. So they were having a sale on like some of their jeans, so I ended up getting 2 pairs. I mean, I don't need 2 pairs, but here I am buying 2 pairs. These are called the skinny high-rise. They're just high-rise skinny jeans, I guess, but they're like a vintage feel, and I get them in a size 26, which is equivalent to a 2 short, and it's got kind of like a cropped leg at the bottom, so that's really nice, and it's got a little bit of distressing. It's got, you know, more distressing on both legs. These are very, very cute. I think these would be nice with that, with this top that I just showed you guys. Maybe like a lighter wash, but you know, you get the gist. And I think these are like 20 bucks. So obviously I had to get those. If you guys have not tried Abercrombie jeans, I highly recommend that you do. I know that there's this like stigma on Abercrombie and their reputation, but I promise you, they've definitely have changed their entire like business model, and they have upped their game in their clothing for sure. Like, they have way more sizes now to choose from, and their stuff is more, it's just so much softer, and it's made so much better than, you know, what it used to and what you used to wear when you were in middle school. I promise you, it's worth checking out if you haven't already. Okay, so then I got these ones. I haven't tried any of these on, so hopefully these things fit me. These ones are the ultra high rise super skinny ankle, and again I got these in a 26, which is a 2 short. And these are skinny jeans as well, but these are like more jegging type. The ones that I showed you earlier kind of have like that vintage look to them. These ones do not. These ones are just like classic skinny jeans. This is like really random, but I got some things from the Disney store because like I said, going to Disney World, and also I'm just having Disney withdrawal since it's been closed. Like, I don't know, I'm sad. So I got this backpack. This is like their it's like a denim backpack, and it's so cute because it's very like basic, but it's got these little Mickey Mouse like studs all over it, which is such like a subtle touch of Disney, which is like what I like. I don't like over exaggerated Disney things. Once in a while I do, but I definitely like don't. Like, I love Disney, but I'm not a huge Disney merch person, if that makes any sense. So whenever I do buy something that's Disney, I like more like subtle like hints of Disney type of pieces. But I also am the person to wear like Minnie Mouse ears to the parks. Like, I don't know. To the parks, I don't mind being going a little overboard, but like to wear every day, to use every day, I do like more subtle things. Hopefully that makes sense. Anyway, I'm just rambling. So this is a backpack meant for pins, and right now I only have little baby Grogu right here. I don't know if you guys know that, but he has a name. His name is Grogu. So I have him right here. He's just chilling. So I actually got these two together. And then I ended up going back to the Disney store after Christmas, and they ended up having a ton of stuff on sale. So I ended up getting more pins for this backpack because, like I said, it's meant to put like, to customize, to put like pins, to put keychains on it and stuff like that. So I ended up getting this cute little keychain from there, and it was only like $7. So yeah, I think this would be cute, maybe like, I don't know, oops, right there maybe. And then I got these pins, which are so cute. Let me open them. This one says home with the little castle in the middle, and then this one says raised on Disney magic. Oh my god. And this is just a keychain of the Mickey hat, which I also have a keychain of, which I actually just got this too. Like, look at this. Isn't this so cute? It's so tiny. Look at that. Oh. So I don't know. I might put this on here too. Who knows? I don't really want it to get smashed, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna put these on my backpack too, and then the Minnie Mouse bow as well. But yeah, that is it, you guys. That is this entire haul. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know what you guys want to see from me. I have a few videos lined up, but I want to hear from the viewers, from the people who actually watch these. So let me know. And yeah, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, I highly recommend that you do. I'll have my Instagram handle right here, and then I'll also have a link to it down in the description box as well. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do so. It would mean so much to me if you did. But I think that's it, you guys. Without further ado, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.